Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this amazing company profile in PowerPoint. You can also use it for other purposes. So first of all, go to Insert tab and insert a picture from your device. So right now what I'm going to use is a high resolution picture with buildings in it. This one. So you're gonna go to color and you're gonna select this first one. And here you go. Next thing we're gonna do is crop the image and increase its size in it because I want the buildings to look more clear. And we're gonna go to insert tab and shapes and we're gonna insert this triangle. And then next thing we're gonna do is rotate it and put it right here onto the extreme left of the template. And we're gonna fit it and remove its outline. And for the fill, we're gonna use white color. Let's decrease its size a bit. Here you go. Now the next thing you're gonna do is go to Insert tab, Shapes, and you're going to insert another triangle as similar as that, but you're going to make its height more smaller. Something like this. Let's increase its height a bit and send it to the back. Here you go. What you're gonna do next is make it height more smaller. You're gonna go to shape format and change this color to this dark black. And the next thing you're gonna do is duplicate this triangle by pressing Ctrl plus Z and increase its height and rotate it like this. Let me just move it close to this triangle to make the same rotating angles. And place it right here into this below corner. Now the next thing we're gonna do is adjust it. And then we're gonna go to shape fill and change this color to this dark yellow color, a more of a golden color. We're gonna go to insert tab and shapes and we're gonna insert a line, a straight line like this. And we're gonna go to shape outline and weight and we're gonna give it a 3p.t. We're gonna go again to shape outline and we're gonna give it the same color yellow as the triangle. Move it downwards. You're going to watercolor like this has the same of the rotating angle as the triangle with golden color. We're going to duplicate it and rotate that one into opposite direction and place it right here. The next thing you're gonna do is adjust it and send it to the back. And the next thing you're gonna do is send this triangle to the back because I want the line to come forward. We're gonna change this color to white. Here you go. The next thing you're gonna do is decrease the line size. And for now, I'm just gonna copy the icons and the other stuff, including the text, and I'm gonna paste it onto this template. Now let's adjust it. And this is how it looks right now. Go to Insert tab, Shapes, and we're going to insert a rectangle out here that covers the outer part of the shapes that are out of the template. We're going to select this, and we're going to go to merge and subtract these. And this will remove the unwanted part. We're going to go to shapes again and insert a rectangle that covers the outer cover of the shapes that are out of the template and are the unwanted shapes. What we're going to do is select the triangle first and then the rectangle and go to merge shapes and we're going to click on subtract. So this is how you make this template. And by adding animations, you can make it more beautiful and more professional. So that's all for today in this video, and if you like the video, be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in another video soon.